In front of me is OPPO Reno 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can enable suggestion strip at the top of your GBoard. Begin by launching settings and scrolling all the way down. Then select additional settings, keyboard and input method, manage keyboards, and finally GBoard. Following that, after selecting text correction, use the switcher next to show suggestion strip to activate it, and go back to your keyboard. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!